Today we'll be installing the leather pole. You'll want to start by marking where you want to install the pole. I previously had hardware that I removed, so I'm just going in with a 3/16 drill bit to open up the hole large enough to fit the new bolt. Next, you'll take your leather strap, folding the back of the strap over the front of the strap and pinching it together so it looks like this. Then I'll take my bolt and gently twist it through all 3 of the pre-drilled holes so it's ready to install. Now, using a flathead drill bit, I'll tighten the strap down to the cabinet. The flathead can be a little tricky sometimes with the drill, so feel free to use a regular flathead screwdriver for this part. Next, I'll place the washer and the nut included with your kit onto the bolt and twist down tight. If your bolt has excess sticking out the back, use a Dremel or a multi-tool to cut off any extra. And here's how it turned out. Make sure to check out Keyaiira.com to complete the look with some of these other awesome accessories.